Hello children, today we are doing chapter number 11 mensuration exercise 11.2. Before starting the exercise, I want to discuss with you trapezium. What is a trapezium? Trapezium is a four-sided polynomial in which one pair of opposite side is parallel. Only one pair. Not the other pair. One pair means two lines opposite, and distance between these parallel sides is called height, or we can say perpendicular or altitude. Like I am taking to this figure. This is a figure. It is a trapezium because in this figure this side is parallel to this side. Parallel does not mean that both the sides are equal. Parallel means when you will extend these lines to any side endlessly, then they will not meet each other at any point. Now if I say that this is the first parallel line and this is the second parallel side, I said the distance means this distance between two parallel sides is called the height. Now this is the height. Question number 1 is, in the trapezium one parallel side is 1 meter and the other parallel side is 1.2 meter. It is given, and the distance between them is 0.8 meter. Find the area of trapezium. I want to tell you the area of trapezium. It is half multiplied by P1 plus P2 into height. P1 means first parallel line, P2 means second parallel line, and height. Now P1 is 1 meter, P2 is, you can take any side, parallel side P1 and other P2. P1 is 1, P2 is 1.2, height is 0.8. Now area of trapezium, half P1 is 1, P2 is 1.2, multiply by height is 0.8 meter square. It is half 1 and 1.2, 2.2 into 0.8. Now remove the decimal. This is 2.2, one digit is there after decimal, so put 10. Here also one digit after decimal, put 10. After cutting, you will get 88 upon 100, means 2 digits in the denominator. So put decimal after 2 digits from the back to get your answer. Similarly, in question number 2, it is given that area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square. It is given. Now you are not supposed to find the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is given. Along with this, it is given that this side is 10, but the other parallel side is not known, but the distance between these two parallel sides is 8. Like P1, we are taking P1 is 10, P2 is not known, but the height is 4. Now when the figure of area is given, then better you write down, put arrow and write down the area of trapezium below that and put the value. Its area is given to equal to what value. Now fill the values. Half P1 is 10, P2 is not known, height is 4 is equal to 34. Now you can cancel 2 and 4. Now it is left 10 plus P2 into 2 is equal to 34. 2 is multiplied here. When we will take to that side, other side, it will be divided. So it is 17. Now 10 plus P2 is equal to 17. Now 10 is added here. It will get subtracted when you will take it to that side. It is 7. So we have got P2 is 7. It means this side is 7 centimeter. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3, it is given that the length of the fence means outside boundary, this total four-sided total is 120. It is given length of the fence of the trapezium is 120 meter. It is given to you. So it means length of the fence of the trapezium means sum of all four sides is 120. All four sides means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. It is 120 meter. It is given. Now we will fill the values for the sides which are given. It is given BC is 48, CD 17, AD 40, but AB is not known, is equal to 120. So when you will add these three sides, you will get 105 is equal to 120. Now you want to find AB, take 105 to that side, it will be subtracted and you will get AB is equal to 15. AB is 15. Now this is the symbol of perpendicular or the height. So this is our height. The height AB. AB just now we have got it is 15 meter. P1 is AD, AD is 40, so it is 40. This P2 BC is 48, this is 48 meter. Now P1 is given, P2 is given, height is given. Write down the formula, fill the values and get your answer. Now I am taking you to question number 8 because it's also relating with trapezium. It is given a person wants to buy a trapezium shape field. It's one side it is road and the other side it is river. It is given that the side to the river is double the side to the road. It means the side which is towards the river, it is double the side of the road. We are taking, let side along road, this we are taking, this is equal to x. It is given that the side along the river is double of it. It means this is x, this is double. Double means multiply it with 2. Double of x means 2x. From here A, B, C, D. We have space, let side along road, that is CD, is equal to x. And the road along river side, that is AB, is the double of x, 2x. And the distance between the two parallel side is given 100. Now area of trapezium, it is given, it is 10,500 meter square. Now again, like question number 2, when the area is given, write down the formula, put the values. P1 is x, P2 is 2x and height is 100. It is 10,500. Now x plus 2x, 3x into 100 is equal to 10,500 meter square. Now 2 will cut with 100. We are left with 3x multiplied by 50 is equal to 10,500. Now 3x into 50. Now you want to get the value of x. So 3 and 50 both are multiplied. They will be divided to that side. After cutting you will get that x is equal to 70. Now what was x? It was the first parallel side. So our first parallel side is 70 and the other parallel side, that is P2, it is the double of first parallel side. It is 2 into 70. It means the other parallel side is 140. Now I am taking you to question number 5. Question number 5 is the diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 and 12 centimeter. Before starting the question, I want to tell you what is a rhombus. Rhombus is a four-sided figure like sphere. All the four sides of a rhombus are equal. It means its all the four sides are equal, but its diagonals are not same. And then what is the difference between the sphere and the rhombus? In sphere each angle is 90 degree, but it is not necessary that all angles of a rhombus are of 90 degree each. This is the difference between rhombus and sphere. Remember, when it is given its first diagonal AC is 7.5 and its second diagonal is 12. Remember the formula of a rhombus when its two diagonals are given. It is half multiplied by first diagonal multiplied by second diagonal. Put the values and find the answer. Now question number 4 is, it's given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Its diagonal means this BD, diagonal means BD is 24 centimeter and the perpendicular means perpendicular is always drawn on the base is BD. So its first perpendicular is AE, it is 13 and the second perpendicular is CF, it is 8. Area of quadrilateral is area of this triangle and area of this triangle, that is area of ABD plus area of BDC. You know that it is a right angle triangle because its height is given. This is the height and this is the base. In this triangle, this is the height and this is the base. Area of triangle is half multiplied by base into height. In triangle ADB, it is half multiplied by base BD multiplied by height AE. Similarly here, half multiplied by base BD multiplied by height CF. Now fill the value of BD AE and BD CF. After cutting, you will get your answer is 252 meters square. Thank you.